This RE/MAX signature property video is presented by Diane Stanley, Associate Broker, CRS, GRI, ABR, SFR. Move-in ready, maintenance-free townhouse in the heart of the West End. The spacious family room has newer carpet and a cozy wood-burning fireplace, while the kitchen, with newer stainless appliances and dining room, with hardwoods and chair rail, open to one another. The updated powder room and entryway with hardwoods and a coat closet complete the first level. On the second level, you will find 2 large bedrooms that boast walk-in closets, and 2 full baths, both updated, and one that is an ensuite. With 2 dedicated parking spaces right outside your front door, you'll never have to search for a spot. A spacious back deck, storage shed, more storage under the deck, fenced backyard, newer windows, and paint throughout are just some of the other features this property offers. HOA replaced roof and siding within the last 5 years, and monthly fee includes access to Knollingwood Community pool and exterior maintenance and landscaping. Several parks, shopping centers, dining and interstates just 3 miles away. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Stanley, Associate Broker, CRS, GRI, ABR, SFR at 804-513-2832.